Look at your car. For many, it's a symbol of freedom. But for far too many, it's also a silent, relentless drain on your finances. Did you know the average cost of car ownership in the US now ranges from $9,000 to over $10,000 annually? That's after payments, soaring insurance, maintenance, and rising fuel prices. That's a staggering amount of money, often for an asset that spends a shocking 95% of its time parked. Imagine paying a mortgage for a house that's empty most of the year. That's what we're doing with our cars. But what if I told you your car, right now, could be a money-making machine? What if it could be paying you for those idle hours? This isn't about magical thinking. It's about smart strategy. The gig economy has opened doors like never before. Today, I'm going to reveal 4 incredibly simple, proven, and powerful strategies that will transform your vehicle from a constant expense into a consistent, significant source of extra income. We'll dive deep with real numbers to show you exactly how thousands are doing this and how you can too. Get ready to reclaim control of your finances, reduce stress, and accelerate your path to financial freedom. Let's make your car work as hard for you as you work for it. Strategy number 1. The Airbnb for cars, peer-to-peer rental platforms. First up, the most passive method, peer-to-peer car rentals. Think Airbnb for cars, a booming industry that's changing how people think about vehicle ownership. The global car rental market is projected to reach $104.40 billion in 2024, with user penetration expected to hit 10.1% by 2029. The US alone contributes over $31.5 billion to this market. On platforms like Turo, hosts in the US average around $14.17 per hour for their rentals, translating to approximately $29,476 annually for consistent availability. But that's just the average. In high-demand cities or with popular car models, top earners push this to $17, $18 per hour, potentially bringing in over $38,500 a year. Imagine what an extra few hundred or even $1,000 a month could do for your savings, debt repayment, or dream vacation fund. These platforms are built on trust and security. They rigorously vet drivers, process all payments securely, and critically, provide robust insurance coverage during the rental period. This is essential for your peace of mind. This is truly passive income. Your car is earning money while you're at work, asleep, or enjoying life. It's about making your assets work as hard as you do. Strategy number 2. Rolling billboards, car advertising. Effortless earnings concept. Next, a truly innovative way to earn with almost no effort, turning your car into a moving advertisement. Yes, companies will pay you to display their brand on your vehicle. Your car is already on the road. Why not get paid for the thousands of impressions it generates daily? The process, simple and professional. Signing up with platforms like Carvertise or Rapify, US, and Canada focused. O, how companies match you based on driving habits and location. O, the professional wrapping process, non-damaging vinyl wraps. O, the uninstallation process. The financial benefits, consistent and passive. Carvertise drivers can earn up to $300 per month, with some reports of active drivers pulling in up to $500 monthly in high-traffic areas. Rapify typically pays between $181 and $452 per month, depending on the wrap coverage and mileage driven. Imagine that, your car payment almost or entirely covered just by driving your normal commute. This is truly set-it-and-forget-it income. It's the ultimate low-effort side hustle. Will it look tacky? No, these are professional, high-quality wraps. Does it damage the paint? Absolutely not. They are designed for safe removal. It's a smart way to generate income without changing your lifestyle. Strategy 3. On-demand delivery services. Food, groceries, and packages. Our third strategy dives into the heart of the gig economy, on-demand delivery. This is where your car becomes an active earner, completely on your schedule. Need money today? Log on. Need a break? Log off. You are the boss, dictating your own hours and income. The vast landscape of opportunities. Food delivery, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub. Grocery delivery, Instacart. Package retail delivery, Amazon Flex, Roadie. Uber Eats drivers in the US average around $19 per hour, with top earners hitting $28.37 per hour in busy markets like Massachusetts. DoorDash drivers commonly report earning between $20 to $25 per hour, including tips and incentives, with high-performing Dashers exceeding $30 per hour. Instacart shoppers average approximately $18.33 per hour, with top earners reaching $25 per hour. Amazon Flex pays about $18.45 per hour nationally. Tips for maximizing earnings. To hit those top numbers, learn the peak hours, understand surge pricing, and consider multi-apping by running a couple of apps simultaneously. It's about smart strategy to maximize your time. The immediate gratification. Oh, unlike some side hustles, with delivery, you see your earnings accumulate almost instantly. Many platforms offer instant cash-out options, putting money in your pocket when you need it most. This isn't just a side gig, it's a powerful tool for financial agility, allowing you to cover unexpected expenses or fund your goals on demand. Strategy number 4. Niche and specialty transportation beyond the obvious. Finding your unique edge. Finally, our fourth strategy is about thinking creatively and tapping into specific, often underserved transportation needs in your community. This is where you can command premium rates and build a loyal client base. Don't just be a driver, be a solution provider, a specialist. Exploring high-value niche opportunities, senior transportation, offering reliable, compassionate rides for elderly clients to appointments, social events. Emphasis on trust, consistency. Executive airport transfers, providing a professional, discreet, and comfortable alternative to standard taxis for business travelers. Emphasis on professionalism, punctuality. Pet taxi services, transporting pets to vets, groomers, kennels. Emphasis on care for animals, specialized vehicle setup. Non-emergency medical transport, NENT, assisting patients who need transport to medical facilities but don't require an ambulance. The premium earning potential, NEMT drivers can average around $20.14 per hour, with top earners reaching $30 per hour or more in some areas. A specialized pet transporter averages about $16.55 per hour, but for premium, specialized care, you can often set significantly higher negotiated rates. These niches aren't just about higher pay, they're about building relationships, providing invaluable service, and often experiencing more fulfilling work. How to find and market your niche. Networking in local community groups, senior centers, vet clinics. Creating a simple online presence or flyer. Leveraging word of mouth. Look around your community, identify a need, and offer a tailored, reliable solution. Your car can be the foundation of your own micro-business. The insurance imperative. Protect your asset and future. I cannot stress this enough. Always, always, always check with your car insurance provider. Your personal policy is likely not sufficient for commercial use. Understanding your coverage and potentially getting supplemental commercial insurance or relying on platform insurance is non-negotiable for safeguarding your financial future. Don't risk everything for a few extra dollars. Vehicle maintenance and presentation. Your business card on wheels. More miles mean more wear and tear. Proactive maintenance, oil changes, tires, brakes, is crucial. Don't let breakdowns halt your income stream. A clean, well-maintained car not only attracts more renters, customers, but ensures your reliability. It's an investment in your earning capacity. Tax smarts. Keep more of what you earn. Oh, as an independent contractor, you're responsible for your own taxes. But this also means you can deduct business expenses. Track your mileage meticulously. Many apps do this automatically. Fuel costs, maintenance, and even a portion of your phone bill. These deductions can significantly reduce your taxable income, putting more money back in your pocket. Consult a tax pro for best advice. Customer service and reviews. Your reputation is your gold. Oh, in the gig economy, your ratings and reviews are everything. Provide excellent service, be polite, punctual, and communicate clearly. Oh, high ratings lead to more opportunities, more bookings, and ultimately more money. Build a stellar reputation. Multi-platform strategy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Once you're comfortable, consider leveraging multiple platforms or strategies. You could rent your car on Turo when you don't need it and do DoorDash during your available hours. This diversified approach can maximize your overall earnings. Your car, your cash machine. Seize the opportunity. Oh, so there you have it. 4 incredibly simple, actionable, and proven strategies to transform your vehicle from a significant expense into a powerful, consistent income-generating asset. We've seen the numbers, from hundreds of dollars a month in passive advertising income to $20 to $30 per hour with delivery or niche services, and potentially tens of thousands annually by renting out your ride. Oh, your car is more than just transportation. It's a hidden financial powerhouse waiting to be unleashed. This isn't just about extra cash. It's about reclaiming financial power, reducing stress. And which of these powerful strategies are you ready to implement first? Which numbers excited you the most? Share your thoughts, your experiences, and your journey in the comments section below. Your story could ignite inspiration for someone else. Or if this video has opened your eyes to new possibilities and ignited a fire of motivation within you, please hit that like button right now. It truly helps us reach and empower more people just like you. Oh, and for more insights, strategies, and motivation to crush your financial goals, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join our community of smart earners. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, your financial freedom is within reach. Go out there, seize this opportunity, and make your car work for you. The road to a richer life starts now.